The etymology of the name of the folk dance, Tonya Mell, comes from two words, Tonya or Tony, which means a stick, and Mell, which means a collection of dancers. Although this dance is a popular dance form of the Kulmi community, members from other communities gaily take part in it. The Tonya or stick is carefully looked after by the dancers as they accord a lot of respect to it. They will not allow it to fall onto the ground or touch anyone's feet. When they hold the Tonya, the person removes his footwear as a mark of respect. There is an interesting legend as to why the dancers wield a stick in their hand when they dance. The legend has it that God planted the seed from which grew the care tree. Each leaf that the tree bore resulted in a new form of life on earth. It is said that the much revered Tony or stick came from this life-giving tree. Providing the music to the Tonya Mell are musicians playing various instruments. The shamel is a percussion instrument which is struck with cane sticks. Care wood forms the frame of the bottom of this instrument. The frame is roofed with the skin of a goat, but there are also wind instruments.
आमच्या लोककलांच्या मळार खास करून लोकसंगीताच्या मळार वेगवेगळे वाद्यां आसात. पूण ह्या सगळ्या वाद्यां मदें जर आमी पळयलें जायत जाल्यार जाका सुशीर वाद्यां म्हणटात किंवा फुकून वाजोवपाची, ताका विंड इन्स्ट्रुमेंट म्हणटात, अशीं इन्स्ट्रुमेंट सामकी कमी. आनी ती तातूंत दोन ही म्हत्वाची वाद्यां आमकां सतत सापडटात. सगळ्या देवळांनी शेनाय आनी सुर्त ही दोन सुशीर वाद्यां अजुनूय खूब कडेन आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटात, आयकुपाक मेळटात. शेनाय म्हणटात ती तातूंत वेगवेगळ्या स्वर तातूंतल्यान काडपाक येतात. पूण सुर्त जो आसता तो किंवा ताका सूर म्हणटात, तो एकच स्वर ताका आसता, तो कायम स्वर ताणें वाजोवपाचो आसता. आनी त्या कायम स्वराच्या आदाराचेर, पार्श्वभुमीचेर शेनाय आपल्या पद्दतीन वेगवेगळें संगीत सादर करता.
Often this dance is compared with the Dandiya, a folk dance of Gujarat. But folk researchers point out that the Tonya Mell is more rigorous. Also, in the Tonya Mell, only males are allowed to dance, unlike in the Dandiya, where a pair comprising a man and a woman dance. The dance, which begins on a slow beat, quickens as the dance progresses. This is a challenging moment for the dancer, who has to achieve a perfect harmony and synchronization of his footwork. Thalgadi is a folk dance which has been passed on since generations. The name Thalgadi can be broken into two parts for us to understand its meaning. Tal means rhythm, while Gadi means man. The dancers are clothed in a tight dhoti and a turban decorated with flowers. Most of the time, these flowers are the locally grown flowers called aboli. 3 branches are attached to this headgear. As the music is played, the dancers form a circle and dance all along, waving a colorful cloth. Various actions are mimed, such as the wearing of a blouse, an anklet, and playing the flute, etc. With time, many more such activities have been choreographed and assimilated into the dance by the dancers. One of the musical instruments accompanying the talgadi, also present in Tonya Mell, is the shehnai, which is a tubular structure made of wood. The talgadi is a dance that is accompanied by the constant clamor of the beats of the dhol, with pauses in between. It is a ritualistic dance which is performed by males every year at the mand or in front of the village deity.